Frozen Greek yogurt cheesecake with honey and pistachio. Serves 8. Prep time 20 minutes plus 4 hours freezing. Ingredients: 2 cups plain Greek yogurt, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/3 cup honey, plus 2 tablespoons honey for topping, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 2 cups crushed digestive biscuits, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup chopped pistachios for topping, pinch of salt. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Let 8 ounces of cream cheese soften at room temperature for 30 minutes so it blends smoothly. In a medium bowl, combine 2 cups crushed digestive biscuits with 6 tablespoons melted unsalted butter and a pinch of salt, mixing until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the crumb mixture into the bottom and slightly up the sides of a 9-inch springform pan, using the back of a spoon to compact it. Freeze the crust for 15 minutes to set. In a large bowl, beat 8 ounces softened cream cheese with 1 cup powdered sugar until smooth and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes on medium speed. Add 2 cups plain Greek yogurt to the cream cheese mixture and fold gently until fully combined, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stir in 1/3 cup honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon lemon zest into the filling, mixing until smooth and well blended. Pour the filling into the chilled crust and smooth the top with an offset spatula so the surface is even. Sprinkle 1/2 cup chopped pistachios evenly over the top, reserving a small handful for garnish. Drizzle 2 tablespoons honey across the top for shine and extra sweetness. Cover the pan tightly with plastic wrap and freeze the cheesecake for 4 hours or overnight until firm. Remove the cheesecake from the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for 20 minutes before slicing to allow easier cutting. Run a hot knife around the edges and release the spring form. Transfer the cheesecake to a serving plate, slice and garnish with reserved pistachios and a final drizzle of honey. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this frozen Greek yogurt cheesecake recipe, like the video, subscribe for more Mediterranean desserts, and hit the bell to get notified.